Da 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 da. Kitty's magical tea party. Da 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 da. Exciting kids' adventure of fireworks and friendship. On a bright sunny morning along Rainbow Lane, the cheerful sun smiled down as Kitty Luna stretched her paws, blinked her sparkling green eyes, and grinned. Today's the perfect day for a magical tea party, she purred excitedly. Her adorable daughter Mimi clapped her paws with joy. Yay, a tea party! Can we have cake, Mommy, and tea with sparkles? Luna giggled softly, her eyes twinkling. Absolutely, my little star! But first, let's get ready for our fun-filled day. Doy! Getting product. Upstairs, they rushed to their pretty pink dressing room filled with glitter, giggles, and sparkling dreams. Mimi opened the big wardrobe doors, revealing dresses in every color of the rainbow: pink, blue, gold, and one that shimmered with rainbow magic. Let's pick something super fancy, Luna said. Mimi held up a big, puffy pink dress that looked just like cotton candy. This one looks yummy. Luna turned into a long, sparkly gown that sparkled like the stars. Perfect, she cheered. Time for makeup fun. Luna brushed rosy blush onto her cheeks and added some glittery magic. Mimi bat shimmer on her cheeks, giggling all the while. Look, Mommy, I'm sparkling just like you, she squealed. You sure are my shining star. And Lionel said softly, hugging her. Next they chose shiny shoes, silver heels for Luna, and sparkly pink flats with bows for Mimi too. They looked at each other in the mirror, ready for their fancy tea party, and squealed happily together. On a bright sunny morning along Rainbow Lane, the cute full sun smiled down as Kitty Luna stretched her paws, blinked her sparkling green eyes, and grinned. Today's the perfect day for a magical tea party, she purred excitedly. Her adorable daughter Mimi clapped her paws with joy. Yay, a tea party! Can we have cake, Mommy, and tea with sparkles? Luna giggled softly, her eyes twinkling. Absolutely, my little star. But first, let's get ready for a fun-filled day. Getting dressed for the tea party. Getting dressed for the tea party. Upstairs, they rushed to their pretty pink dressing room filled with glitter, giggles, and sparkling dreams. Mimi held up a big wardrobe doors, revealing dresses in every color of the rainbow: pink, blue, gold, and one that shimmered with rainbow magic. Let's pick something super fancy, Luna said. Mimi held up a big puffy pink dress that looked just like cotton candy. This one looks yummy. Luna twirled into a long, sparkly gown that sparkled like the stars. Perfect, she cheered. Time for makeup fun. Luna brushed rosy blush onto her cheeks and added some glittery magic. Mimi dabbed shimmer on her cheeks, giggling all the while. Look, Mommy, I'm sparkling just like you, she squealed. You sure are my shining star, Luna said softly, hugging her. Next they chose shiny shoes, silver heels for Luna, and sparkly pink flats with bows for Mimi Pooh. They looked at each other in the the mirror, ready for their fancy tea party, and squealed happily together. On a bright, sun-kissed morning, the warm glow of sunrise streamed through the cozy curtains of a charming little home at the end of Rainbow Lane. Inside, Luna the kitty woke up with a stretch, a big yawn, and a joyful smile. Today wasn't just any ordinary day. It was her moment to shine at the breathtaking gig runway show. Today's the day, Mimi. Luna chirped, fluffing her silky fur until it sparkled like rays of sunshine. Peeking out from her nest of pajamas, adorable Mimi looked up with wide, excited eyes. Mommy, are you gonna be on TV? She squealed. Luna giggled softly, maybe. There'll be dazzling lights, cameras rolling, and glittering dresses that shimmer like stars. Mimi's eyes sparkled even more. Can I come too? Not this time, sweetheart, Luna replied gently, slipping into her fabulous. But you can cheer for me from home. She blew a kiss, twirled in front of the mirror, and whispered proudly, "Perfect! It's showtime!" With a wave goodbye, she zoomed off in her shiny blue car to the glamorous runway hall. As soon as Luna's car disappeared down the street, Mimi's imagination ignited like fireworks. She tiptoed into her mommy's room and spotted the glowing makeup table filled with shimmering brushes, colorful powders, and glittery bottles. Wow! So many colors. Mimi gasped, eyes gleaming with curiosity. Mommy always looked so stunning with these. Maybe I can try a tiny bit. She climbed onto the stool and began her mini makeover. A dab of pink on her cheeks, a splash of blue on her eyelids, and a sparkle of glitter on her nose. Then she stared at her reflection and giggled, "I look like a superstar." But then she eyed the plain walls and thought, "These walls look so dull. They need some sparkle too." She painted paw prints, rainbows, flowers, and funny faces. Soon she dashed outside to the front wall, turning her house into a bursting palette of colors. Neighbors passing by paused in awe. Wow, look at that beautiful wall. Praise Mrs. Bunny, even Mr. Hedgehog rolled over to see. That's the most colorful house I've ever seen. A crowd gathered, clapping and laughing at Mia's masterpiece. Thank you. Thank you. Mimi curtsied proudly. It's my runway art. Meanwhile, Luna had just finished her walk down the glittery runway where cameras flashed and cheers erupted. She couldn't wait to get back home and see her little artist. Soon she arrived to find her house a rainbow wonderland. My, Looney called out. Out came Mimi, dressed in a polka dot dress with blue eyeshadow and glitter all over her fur. Ta-da! Mimi cheered. "Do you like my makeover, Mama?" Luna blinked in surprise. "Mimi, what did you do to the house?"
neighbors smiled, took pictures, and cheered. Your daughter is an incredible artist. Look at her creativity, said one neighbor, gently hugged Mimi. You know what, my little artist? Maybe it's not a mess, maybe it's a masterpiece. Mimi's eyes twinkle. Really, Mama? Really, Luna smiled. Next time we'll paint together. Maybe not on the curtains. They both giggled, sharing a special moment. The very next day, folks from the town flocked to see Mimi's art show. Someone asked if she could brighten up their bakery next. From then on, Luna and Mimi became the town's favorite fashion and art duo. Luna dazzled the runway, and Mimi decorated the world. And every night Luna whispered softly, never stop dreaming, my little artist. Mimi purred back, never stop sparkling, Mommy. Ooh.